In this center, you're going to be using the Gravity Maze. The Gravity Maze is a marble logic game. It has maze in the name of it because you're trying to figure out how to get through areas. I'm going to talk you through how to use it. Comes with this platform. That's where you'll be putting your maze pieces. And it has this steel ball. Inside the box there are 2 more, so you should have a total of 3 of those balls. There are colored pieces of different sizes and cards. The cards are going to guide you for what you're expected to do. First of all, about the cards, there are beginner cards. This is, if you're the first time using it, is what you should be using as beginner. As you get very good at completing the beginner cards, you could move to intermediate. If you complete all the intermediate cards without a problem, you could move on to advanced and then expert. I'm going to start with a beginner card. This card is showing you a lot of different things. It's showing you a representation of the platform and of your pieces. And then it's telling you here, add to the grid. So here are some clues, and then you're going to be adding these colors. So let's talk about the pieces. The red piece. Here's the red piece. See that there's dots, 2 dots at the top of this red piece here. And on the card, there are different dots. So I'm going to turn this piece around until my piece looks like the one that's on the card. 2 dots on the bottom, 2 dots on the top, 2 dots on the side. Still not there. Now I match the card. 2 dots on each side, 1 dot on the other side. I'm going to place it in the tray where it shows me on the card. Now I'm going to look at the green. And I'm going to again look at the dots on the top. These pieces don't come apart, so don't try to take them apart. So here I have a match. 2 on each side. And notice there's 3 sets of 2. This set is pointing down this way, just like that one. So that's how I'm going to put it up on my tray. Then I'd go back to the card. I see an orange one is going to be angled off to here and follow the markings on that. So this has you started. You can start with your marble and see it just went right out the back. So that's probably not where you want to go. I can drop it over here and I end up over here. Remember, this card gave me a clue that I'm supposed to add a blue and an orange. And you will have to play around and figure out where you're going to put them on the grid and how you're going to position the dots. You want to try to get it so the marble will find the opening in your different sections and flow through. It can be challenging. A lot of kids say it's hard. Hard's okay to challenge your brain, right? Remember, we're on the beginner card and you can do it. If you can't accomplish this beginner card, choose another one. You and your partner will find one that you can do. If you absolutely get frustrated, it will give you the solution on the back. But I don't tell you that so that you go right there to begin with, because I don't want to take the fun out of it. So let's look at the solution on the back. See how it's showing you where you start and where it ends? That's going to be your clue also. Enjoy the Gravity Maze.